So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So guys, recently the Ministry of Education has released the Performance Grading Index for the year 2020-21 for the states and union territories. If we talk about Performance Grading Index, guys, so in the month of June, the district first time the Performance Grading Index for districts have been released. So now they have released the reports that is for states and union territories. Now, in today's lecture, I will be discussing about the parameters of this specific index and what are the key findings that you need to remember for your upcoming examination of RBI, SEBI, and NABARD. But before that, guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this comprehensive guidebook that we have prepared for you. Because whenever you start your preparation, the most common thing that comes to your mind is first of all, you want to know about the organization, that what are the different rules in which you will be working in that specific organization. Then the most common thing which generally takes a lot of time for student is students keep on hovering about the things like the examination cycle, the eligibility criteria, then the previous year cutoffs. After the previous year cutoffs, the most common thing or the most common search query is the syllabus of the examination and what are the sources you need to prepare when you are preparing this specific thing. ठीक है, कौन से sources you need to prepare when you are preparing this specific thing. Now the sources are not just given for phase 1, these are given for phase 1, phase 2 as well as for interview in this guidebook, as well as the cutoffs are also not just given for guys phase 1, they have been given for phase 1 and phase 2 for the past 5 years. Now along with that, इसको बोलते हैं सोने पे सुहागा क्या है आपके लिए, you have been given a 6-step domination formula also based on the 3 feedbacks from the students, from the toppers, as well as the analysis that we have done. So we are giving you a 6-step domination formula also, that how you could dominate your examination. Now you must be wondering कितना time बचेगा, तो what you have to pay. You do not have to pay, you just have to pay me 10 seconds. Yes guys, not on a monetary term, just 10 seconds, because there is a link given in the description below. Click on that specific link and these guidebooks are yours. It's not just for RBI, the same guidebook, the same information you will be getting for the SEBI examination, and same thing is provided for the NABARD aspirants also. And again, I am repeating it again, it is absolutely free. Now let's talk about the performance grading index, guys. So here I have given you a paragraph on the performance grading index. The important thing to note here is it is a 4th edition that is released. It is being released by Department of School Education and Literacy, which is working under Ministry of Education. Okay, now if we talk about this specific index, in this paragraph it is describing about that it gives us an insights on the status of school education in states and union territories, as well as the key levels with where the states are performing here. So this is giving us basically a broad idea about this performance grading index. Let's talk about the question. The first question that I am asking you is, the performance grading index is structured in 2 categories, which are outcome and governance, and the second one is governance and management. So outcomes and governance and management. You have to tell me it comprises of how many indicators and what is the total weightage score that is given here. So if you look at the options here, the answer here is that is option number B. There are total 70 indicators that are under this index and which carries a total weightage of 1000. So we talk about this index further on, guys. So दो categories मैंने आपसे discuss की, outcomes and governance and management. The second is 70 indicators, total weightage is 1000. Now because it is a 4th index, it was first published in the year 2019. ठीक है, 19 में publish हुआ था, पर publish किसके लिए होता? So you might get confused here. The important thing to understand here is, guys, it was published in 2019, but the reference was 2017-18. So that's all continuously आ रहा है 4 years on a trot. तो इस तरह है 19, 20, 21, 22, 4th edition, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20 and 2021. This is the important thing that we need to remember here. Now comes the next question on this specific index here is, the performance grading index has been categorized into 5 domains, which means 5 domains, 2 categories were there, but it has been further subdivided into 5 domains, which is named as access, infrastructure and facility, equity, learning outcome, and quality and governance processes. So how many points have been allocated here towards the learning outcome and quality? Now if I talk about these kind of questions, guys, these are the kind of questions which will become really difficult for the aspirants in the examination, because when we see these kind of questions, हमें ये 5 domains याद होंगे, but इनका specific weightage we might forget. So this is again important for us. Now coming to the answer here is that is option number, just give me a second guys, that is option number D. 180 is the right answer here. Now if I talk about this index guys, so learning outcome and quality, it is 180, access is 80, infrastructure is 150, equity is 230 and governance process is 360. Now we have discussed two categories, one was outcome and the second one was governance and management. So if I talk about these indicators here guys, out of these 5 indicators, 4 indicators are basically the part of outcomes, that is learning outcome, access, infrastructure facility and equity. और governance and management कौन सा है, that is governance processes is an indicator under governance and management. ठीक है, so as we always say, how you could remember this thing, we are basically describing the performance of the schools. So first of all, if you talk about any school, तो आप क्या सोचते हो, लर्निंग आउटकम क्या होगा? अगर मैं स्कूल में बच्चे को डाल रहा हूं तो मेरा लर्निंग आउटकम क्या होगा? फर्स्ट इज लर्निंग आउटकम, क्या वो मुझे एक्सेसिबल भी है? इफ लर्निंग आउटकम, अगर कोई स्कूल है जिसकी लर्निंग कैपेसिटी बहुत अच्छी है, वेदर इट इज एक्सेसिबल फॉर मी और नॉट, क्या मैं वहां पे जा भी सकता हूं? एक्सेसिबिलिटी. देन इज, अगर मैं वहां पे आप किसी को भेज रहे हो, इफ यू आर गोइंग इनटू अ स्कूल, वेदर द स्कूल हैज एडिक्वेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर टू प्रोवाइड एजुकेशन. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि बिल्कुल आपने एक गांव में मिट्टी में आप पढ़ा रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना. यू नीड अ प्रॉपर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो यू कैन सी द थर्ड थिंग, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड फैसिलिटीज आर देयर, बिकॉज इन सबसे आपका आउटकम जो है वो डिसाइड हो रहा है. इक्विटी, द एजुकेशन दैट इज प्रोवाइडेड हियर, इज इट प्रोवाइडेड ऑन एन इक्वल बेसिस? ठीक है, किसी चीज को प्रेफरेंस तो नहीं दी जा रही, इट इज इक्विटी. सो यू कैन सी, जब मैंने सोचा मुझे स्कूल में जाना है तो मैं आउटकम क्या चाहता हूं कि मैं बहुत अच्छा स्टूडेंट बनूं. सो यू कैन सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर रिलेटेड टू माय दिस प्रोसेस, दैट हाउ माय आउटकम विल बी इंक्रीज. नाउ कम्स दिस स्पेसिफिक थिंग. अब उसको मैनेज कैसे करना है, ठीक है, गवर्नेंस प्रोसेसेस, क्या प्रोसेस होगा, क्या मैनेजमेंट होगी, वो सब कुछ है जो गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे है कि उसको करने के लिए, इस आउटकम को करने के लिए आपको क्या चीजें करनी है, क्या प्रोसेस होना चाहिए. दिस इज द गवर्नेंस प्रोसेसेस. सो दिस इज हाउ गाइस यू कुड रिलेट टू दिस स्पेसिफिक थिंग, दैट हाउ यू कुड, how these indicators you could remember. Now coming to third question guys, third question here is again on the performance grading index series. Now if you look at this question, it says it has been divided into 10 grades. Highest achievable grade is grade level 1, which is for states scoring more than 950 points, out of which, out of 1000 points. उसके बाद आता है level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, level 10. Now comes the important thing here, the lowest grade is level 10, ठीक है जी, which is score below 551. The question I'm asking is, which of the following state has not attained level 2? Now first thing you tell me, if you have performed this index, तो पहले चीज तो ये दिमाग में, क्या लेवल 1 भी किसने अचीव किया है? So the answer for that is no. No state has achieved level 1. So you have to, so this makes us easy for you to answer कि level 2 किसने अचीव नहीं किया है. Level 2 is not been achieved by Tamil Nadu. First level has not been achieved by any state. ठीक है, whereas level 2 Kerala, Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Chandigarh are the states here, but Tamil Nadu is not among them. Now an important thing here guys, now first homework for you is, you have to tell me in the comment box, here you know levels that have been defined here. Under the performance grading index for district, there are again the categories that have been given here, Daksh, Utkarsh, Param Utkarsh, ये नाम दिए गए थे. तो आपको मुझे पहले तो उस इंडिकेटर्स, यू हैव टू टेल मी अबाउट दो स्पेसिफिक इंडिकेटर्स, एंड देन यू हैव टू आल्सो टेल मी which are the 3 cities of Rajasthan that have topped that specific indicator, that have topped that specific index that is under the Utkarsh category. चलिए, now coming to this question that I was discussing you, it says total 7 states or UTs are under the level 2 category, which are Kerala, Punjab, Chandigarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है, so these are the 7 states here. Punjab is topping the index along with Kerala and Maharashtra. Gujarat, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh are the new entrants, so this is again important for us. Which states are new to this level 2? That is Gujarat, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. And the thing that I was discussing with you, none of the state has so far attained the level 1 under this index. The next question here is guys, as per this index, which of the following state or UT has topped under the learning outcome domain? So we have discussed the 5 domains. Now I have asked you a question within that domain. Okay, under the learning outcome domain, which state has topped the index? The answer here is, that is option number A. Rajasthan is the answer. Here, that is option number A. So if I talk about the domain wise performance in the learning outcome, it is Rajasthan. In terms of access, it is Delhi. Infrastructure, it is Punjab. equity it is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, and in terms of governance process, it is again Punjab who has topped this specific index. So guys, this was all about this index. If you have any kind of query, you could drop me an email at hello@edutab.co.in. Then you can also have a call with us on the number that is 81462 And now is the important thing. If you want to get the PDF of this lecture, there is a link given in the description below of the Telegram channel. You can click on that link and you can download the PDF material that is available on our YouTube channel. That is absolutely free for you. I hope guys this lecture is fruitful for you. So keep learning, keep preparing hard. Wishing you all the best for your examination. Bye bye.